Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to change toners or cartridge. These are inks anyway, we call them cartridges in a HP Officejet Pro 860 or 8600 or 8610 and more modules. There's no modules like these. There are a lot of them. So yeah, we're gonna start. But anyway, what you have to know is simple, that to achieve that you got to switch on the machine. So our machine is off, so I'm gonna put power. I'm gonna put it in power and switch it on. Try to get the power cord here. Okay, once I put it in power, the power cord is on. Now let me try to switch it on. Okay, it's coming on. It's still aligning. So you give it a chance, you leave it, do whatever it wants to do until when it finishes. That's when you're going to start operating. See, it takes a lot of time, but we got to be patient. See what it did? It gave us this paper, very beautiful paper. You can see the colors are very nice. So after that, we know that it's fine. So we're still doing some more stuff. Okay, then it says recycle, discharge the printed. Okay, align calibration successful. Okay, say okay. So you can see the machine is fine. Then what you do, you come at the end here, you take out this. Once you do that, it's gonna slide. The toner's gonna, the cartridge is gonna slide to you. Okay, once they are here, then you can press like that. One, take it out. 2, take it out, 3, take it out, but you got to be with your new ones ready. 4, take it out. You can see. Well, that's done. So I'm gonna bring my new ones. Everything is arranged well, so you can also start with black. Put in black here. Okay, it will click in. You go with the yellow. You remember HP to be on top, the word HP, the logo. Okay, that is there. I'm gonna do something for you here. I wanted to put flashlight here so that you see nicely. Then you go with cyan. Okay, then you go with your magenta. Magenta, I wanted to see how many pages you get here. 2022, yes. Okay, that's good. So put this in here. Once you're done, you see that everything is fine. If you try to put them upside down, they're not going to go in. So, which means we put them nicely. Okay, we check everything is fine. Then we close the door. Once you close the door, everything is okay. We can even start making what? Copies. Yeah, well, but if your toner still gives you trouble when they don't read, sometimes it happens like they are not maybe this compatible, but most times they are compatible with that. And if you receive, you might receive a message we say print head need to be replaced, all that. But if you receive that message, just know that you got an issue with your print head. But if the print heads are fine, once you put in your toner cartridges, the machine should show like this. So it should be ready to start what? Printing and making copies. So that's why you saw the machine, the ones I had before, they were not bad, but I had to do this to show you or do whatever. Understand? Yeah, guys, I really appreciate for you being with us. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.